Today I would like to talk about sketching tools and especially about four major tools like a pen, pencil, ball pen and marker. Those tools are essential part for every initial or even advanced sketching, and they are all different purpose that I would like to talk about in this video. Let's start with basic pencil. As you may know, pencils have different hardness and softness. As a beginner, I suggest you to use softness grade like 2B, 6B, or even black color pencil from major brands. Let's see a quick test of each of them. Here I have few of them. Let's start with basic pencil. Let's see a quick test of each of them. Start with 2B. Straight lines, hatching or texture, all this can be done with 2B to create quite gentle result. If you would like to get more distinct contrast to pop up your sketch, use softer pencil like 6B or black color pencil. Let's try them as well. Here I have my three favorite ones from Faber-Castell. Soft and oily. You can see how easy to use them. By the way, with higher number of softness, you can apply different pressure to give more expression and bring some emotions to your drawings. Okay, let's move to pigment liners, markers and ball pens. I like to use a Staedtler pigment liner with 0.3, 0.5 and 0.7 thickness. Those are really good for precise drawings and details. With this one, you can draw very clean and straight lines. Really like this one. Let's see what is the difference between thicknesses. Maybe it's difficult to see on my screen. Okay, here 0.3, this one 0.5 and 0.7. The markers are good for contours, big details, dark areas, hatching if you are working only with black and white sketch and not using Copic markers. Try different kind of them. This is the easiest tool. Okay, what about ball pens? Here I have number of different kind of ball pens. Yeah, this is actually my favorite one. I think this is from Big Bear brand. Yeah, but let's try all of them. The good thing about ball pen, you can quickly move your hand to create amazing sketches without worrying about right thickness or line or sharpness of the pencil. It's also a great tool for doodles and initial sketches. I think one of the advantages is that you can find ball pen everywhere and use almost every brand. I think it's very useful tool and it's my favorite one. So let me just try different pens here. I just like to move my hand like this to test different ball pens. You know, some of them have different balls inside, so with the angle it's more hard to produce the clean line. Yeah, this one for example not good. Okay, I think this one will be my favorite. Yeah, very soft. Soft, yeah. I really enjoy to do some sketches with this pen. Let's make some hedging here. As you can see, with different pressure, similar to the pencil, I can create different lines and express my sketch a little bit. Okay, yeah, it's a big one. Light, comfortable, ergonomic. It's almost flying on my paper, you see? So I would like you to get those tools and just start to try. Use them to understand differences and feel each of them. Try to use them. So thanks for watching my first initial video about tools, and I hope to see you for next lesson. So please watch my next video. Okay, to summarize, I would like to put here my favorites one. The ball pen, the liner 0.7, the black color pencil, 2B pencil, marker as well, black thick marker. Okay, pencil, black color, pen ball, liner and the marker. At the end of this video, I just want to play with those tools to show you how useful they can be. So just quick doodles, quick sketches. For example, this time we will sketch some sport shoes. So now I'm using my favorite ball pen. As I mentioned before, it's really good tool for sketching and doodles. It's almost like a pencil, but you can find the ball pens everywhere, so it's very practical tool. And with black marker I can add some contours to make it more, to make some more contrast, to add the backgrounds like this.